Okay, this is from this company called Giftzza, which is actually a local New York company, and I befriended them on Instagram, and they sent me these little sample sets. One was for their birthday.
Okay.
This one, look at this.
Wait, what's in there? That is adorable.
Yeah, it's cute. They have cute little things in here. There's some chocolates, some cookies, and it's got a picture inside it. The gift sets, the company is called Giftzza, Giftzza.com. And I don't know if you can exactly see it. I'm trying to angle that just right. Anyway, they can make a little caricature of you on the cookies, or just put a picture inside the box and kind of like take whatever it is that you want to personalize and put it into your little treats on the inside.
Do we still have time to do this? This is cute.
Yeah, you do. Actually, it only takes 2 to 4 days.
Okay.
To do it.
This is great.
Starts at $54.99. So there you go.
$54.99.
What do you got? And don't tell.
What?
Yeah, don't tell Inez. I got something for her too.
Oh, you got something for Inez?
Yeah.
Where's my box?
Well, I'm gonna work on that, Rosanna. Don't you worry about it. Valentine's Day is coming, but it's so cute, all this stuff. So Carolyn does great work. Giftzza does great work.
Good idea.
Just some ideas.